Hey YouTube. Well, today I received my Dremel Sawmax meter guide. Also, my Dremel Ultra saw. So I'm gonna be unboxing both. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is already open. Nosy enough. This is what it looks like. Plastic. Numbers, you can hardly see them. Yeah, they're all in black. Then on the side you have instructions how to do the cuts, A, B, and C for your crown molding. Then you also have more instructions here. You know, label. That's how it looks from underneath. It's about a foot length. And for that, and then for this, let's see what we got. All right, come there. There goes the handle. Goes the side itself. It's pretty big. Extension cord. Then the meter direction cut, so they're about the same size in length. And you got the handle that goes over top to grab it. And gotta get a bag. Good. And we have a different type of blades. This one came with 3 different type of blades for metal, wood, and wood flush. 2 different types of saws. It's very sharp, by the way. You can feel them by the touch. Now what I noticed is that the metal seems to be smaller than the other saw. As you can see here, they are smaller. Alright, that's it. And that's it for this video. Then you got the wrench. So, sanding and flush. That's it. Thank you for watching.